Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Today I'm going to be showing you how Tree for Money is the biggest scam known to mankind on the App Store right now. Guys, if you don't know who I am, I post scam uploads every day of these apps that trick you into thinking that you're going to win real life money, but they're really just fake. And sadly, Tree for Money is, without a doubt, the fakest app I've seen in my life. I thought that the Plinko series were bad, but dude, this app, Tree for Money, will non-stop trick you into thinking you're winning real life rewards here, okay? As you can see, every time I click this tree, it literally keeps rewarding me with PayPal money, forcing me to watch an ad. Do you want to know why, everyone? Do you want to know why it keeps saying I want to win all this money? It's because these developers are literally, I don't want to swear because I get in trouble by YouTube, but they're just deplorable. So what they've done, right, they've actually hidden the paywall features behind a generic app. How insane is this app, everyone? Seriously. Look at this pathetic scam, dude. Literally so many people on my YouTube channel have commented and said how bad of a scam this app is. And someone actually alerted me to say that I completely missed this hidden little gem that here, the invite section. Because I made a video on this app last time saying they finally redeemed themselves and turned themselves into like a normal, like premium app. But I was wrong. I personally admit that I was wrong. I did not know they had an invite system that would literally unlock the paywall elements to this app again. The worst thing is right now, the absolute worst thing is, okay, not only do they have the lucky spin option here to spin the wheel to possibly win PayPal money, but they have the VIP section here, okay, which is literally, this app is offering up, let's have a look here, 300 times 821. $246,000 this app is offering up in total right now if you join up for their premium rewards here, which is $9 a week, okay? So, $9 a week, everyone. I just don't understand. So, 9 times 52, so $468 you would actually be spending out of your pocket on an app that's completely fake. Do you really think this app's going to give over, like, $240,000? Seriously, everyone. These apps, it amazes me how Google allows this on the Play Store still. It does not take a rocket scientist to see this is a scam once you start actually playing it. If you're watching this video, then you know exactly what I'm talking about by scam apps, okay? They trick you into thinking you're actually going to win real life money, when in reality, it's a complete joke. Now, I'm up to $96 here, but I cannot even cash out. This is the real kicker, okay? This is where it says, oh yeah, don't take advantage of game gap. What does this even mean? What is this? Install cheating software. Dude, who cares, man? Who cares about the rules? The game's pathetic. Let's have a look here, okay? To earn $2, you have to watch 1,200 ads. Does anyone see a problem here? Like, does anyone actually see a problem here, okay? 1,200 ads, not 10 ads, 20 ads, 50 ads, 100 ads, 1,000 ads, 1,200 ads. Dude, that is just for $2. For $5, it's 3,000 ads. For $20, it's 5,000 ads. For $50, it's 8,000 ads. For $100, it's 10,000 ads. And then you have the premium VIP reward one as well. Become a VIP, you get rewarded $10. Let me guess. That's only, you can only redeem that once, I'm assuming, as well, because, you know, be VIP for 3 days consecutively. Dude, I don't know what to say. Guys, please, please, for the love of God, stay away from Tree for Money. It is the worst app I have ever seen to try and scam people. I have never seen an app scam people, dude, like this. Literally, to put your apparent real-life money behind a paywall. Guys, do you really think that they're going to give you the money that you stack up? You got to think, they give me $13 each time here. I don't want to watch ads. I watched 2 ads and the price didn't go down. It just says I have $96. Do you know what? For video sakes, I'll watch an ad and I'll see if the price goes down and diminishes a bit, okay? Alright, so I've just got that money there. Now I'm $109. Let's see what I earn next time here. $6. Oh, wow. Wow. It diminishes as well, everyone. The price has diminished from $13 to now $6. Let's watch another ad and see what we get next. I'm over $100 right now. Apparently I've earned in PayPal money, dude. Alright, so I've just got another $6 there. Let's see what the next reward is. Another $6, everyone. It just keeps going. Oh my god, dude. It's literally an app that's based on making you watch ads non-stop with a promise of money. But you can't even see the money until you watch 1,200 ads. Whoa. It just makes my head spin, dude. I just don't understand what to say here. I know they give you the lucky spin element. This bird keeps on coming by. 4,900 diamonds. They give you the element of diamonds here in real life currency, which convert into literal cents. I don't know what to say, everyone. I mean, Google's never going to do anything about this, I feel. It's just like an ongoing joke here, okay? $5 now I've just won, apparently. $5.68 I've just won, apparently. $6.41. I mean, I'm not going to watch the ads anymore because I don't feel like watching diminishing returns here and, you know, watching ads non-stop. It's just sad. Guys, my only advice to you, don't have to take it, but listen to me. Real life people have played this game, and go look at my YouTube comments. People are mad. They are absolutely mad, okay? Please don't get scammed by these apps. Seriously, everyone, I cannot stress it enough, okay? The thing is as well, they got lucky spin here. The fact that they even give you a lucky spin option amazes me. Why? How is this not regulated by Google? How is this allowed? I understand that these are just ad content watching farms. Like, people are getting paid so much money just to literally have an app that generates so much money from ads. That's what's sad to me. Guys, stay safe. I'm done with this app. I cannot believe they hid their scamming practices behind an invite code. Just don't use it. Don't play this app. It's pathetic. See you next time, everyone. Stay safe out there. Catch you later.